Welcome to my unboxing video of the brand new MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 edition. Now this has just arrived today, which is Thursday the 7th of May 2020. So I believe it was only released literally on Monday, and fortunate to get it already. So this particular version, as I said, is 13-inch 2020. It's the bottom of the range one, so to speak, so it has just the two Thunderbolt 3 ports. It is running out of the box Mac OS Catalina version 10.15.4. The setup on this machine is the 1.4 quad-core i5, not the new sort of 10th generation, it's the 8th generation one. It has 8 gig of DDR3. It's got the Iris Plus graphics 645. So being Britain, we have the 3-pin plug. It is the USB-C, and just looking at the actual adapter brick itself, it is a 61 watt USB-C power adapter. My initial thoughts as I'm unpacking it, I like the look of it. It's nice, small and compact. I don't own the last year's, although I have used last year's, so having a go on the keyboard, I much prefer the feel and the, I don't know if it's my imagination, but it seems to be slightly higher profile of the keys compared to last year's. I didn't like typing on last year's model at all. Out of the box, as I said, setting up, especially if you're a Mac user anyway, is very simple. And I was set up literally in 5 minutes as the basic setup. The Touch ID was easy to set up. Now again, I've never really used the touch bar, but we will see how useful that is. Geekbench benchmark out of the box. The MacBook Pro here, as you can see, got an 813 for a single core and a 3743 for the multi-core. That compared to my iMac, which I use as daily, especially as we're in lockdown, it's faster than the iMac. I was pleasantly surprised. So the iMac has got a score of 773 for the single core, as opposed to the 813 for the MacBook Pro, and the multi-core score on my iMac here is 3097. Again, the 3097 compared to the 3743 for the newer MacBook Pro. So on paper, the MacBook Pro is substantially quicker than the iMac, which I use daily. And again, the iMac I've never noticed particularly slow. It's always met my needs. I'm not a heavy gamer, so for a bit of video editing, word processing and general use, the iMac's fine. So hopefully the MacBook Pro should be more than ample. Anyway, thank you for listening to this, and I hope it's been informative. Bye-bye.